Beginner lesson number 3. I'll stand over here so you can see this. Can you all see okay? We were learning the sound. Oh, life is hard. We were learning the sounds of the alphabet. So, I'll go through them again. A like...
That.
Good. B like...
B.
Yeah, bzz. Yeah, good. C like...
C.
The C, you're right. D like...
Daddy.
Daddy, that's right. E like...
E.
F like...
Left.
And what's this then?
Hand.
Left and...
Right.
Right, good, well done. G like...
Jeans.
Good. H, I don't know. Can somebody help me? H, I don't know. I like... I am. J like...
J.
Yeah, Jake, who is in jail. I'm improvising here. K like...
Okay.
Okay. L like... Oh wait, L like...
Bell.
Bell. L, bell. M, sorry about this should be yellow.
Lemon.
Good. M, lemon. M. N like...
Pen.
Good. O like...
No.
Or... Okay, good. No. Okay. P like...
Happy.
Is
Happy.
happy. Q like... Thank you, Nilly.
Cucumber.
Very good. Cucumber.
Cucumber.
Lovely, thank you for that. R like...
I.
R. S like...
Yes.
T like...
Tea.
U like...
You.
V, I don't know yet. Okay. W like...
W.
W, yeah, I don't know. I'm working this out. X like... X-ray. And Y like... Y, I don't know. And Z like...
Zebra.
Okay, that's good enough. Over here, over here. So, we were looking again at the verb to do. Do you eat pizza? Positive, yes I do, or no I don't. These are short questions and short answers. Does he or she eat pizza? Yes, he does, no, she doesn't. Positive sentences, I eat, you eat, we eat, they eat. And the verb here changes. He eats, she eats, and it eats. This is the verb that changes. On the negative sentences, it is the verb do that changes. I don't eat pizza. You don't eat pizza. He, she, it doesn't eat pizza. So remember, on positive sentences, the main verb changes. On questions and negatives, the verb do changes. Do, don't, does, doesn't. And these were the sentences that we did about this. Do you live in England? Yes, I do, or no, I don't. Do you eat pizza? Do you drink Coke? Do you speak English, or learn English, or study English? Do you live in Watford? Do you ride a bicycle? Do you drive a car? Do you learn or study science in school? I think it should be at school. That's it. Okay, thank you. Homework to do those sentences. Write sentences.